Maximize your social security. How your benefit is calculated per benefit TV. What if waiting just a few years could almost double your social security check? Most people claim benefits too early and lost thousands of dollars every year without even realizing it. In this video, we will discover you how social security is calculated, why age 62 can cost you money, and the hidden break-even age that a smart retiree pay attention to before claiming benefits. What is Social Security? Social Security is a monthly retirement payment provided by the US government after years of working and paying taxes. Your benefit amount depends mainly on three things: how much money you earn during your career, how long you worked, and the age you decide to start collecting benefits. For many retirees, this becomes one of the biggest and most important income source of after retirement. The earliest age you can claim. Most people becoming eligible to collect Social Security retirement benefits at 62. But here the catch, claiming early permanently reduce your monthly payment. In this example, something retiring at 62 receiving around $1,340 per month. That may sound good at first, but taking benefits early means smaller check for the rest of your life, and many people regret rushing the decision later. Age explain. Full retirement age is the age where you receive 100% of your social security benefit. For many people today, this age is 67. In the case waiting until 67 increase the monthly benefit to about $1,934 instead of $1,340. That's a huge difference over time. The government reward patience because delaying benefits means fewer years of payments from the system overall. Why waiting can increase your money? Every month you delay taking Social Security after age 62, your future monthly payments grow. In some cases, the benefit at age 70 can be nearly double compared to claiming at 62. That extra money can help cover healthcare, housing, food, and emergency during retirement. Many financial experts say delaying benefit is one of the safest way to increase retirement income naturally. Understanding the break-even age. Here's something many people never hear about: the Social Security break-even age. This is the point where waiting to claim benefits start paying off more than claiming early. In this example, the break-even age is 78.3-year-old. That means if you lived beyond 78, waiting until 67 gives you more total money overall compared to starting benefit at 62. How much Social Security is calculated? The Social Security Administration uses a complicated formula to calculate benefits. They look at your highest 35 year of earning, average wage growth in the country, annual inflation adjustments, and your retirement age. If you worked fewer than 35 years, some years count as zero income, which lower your final payment. Higher lifetime earning usually mean higher monthly retirement check. Factors that change your benefit. Your benefit estimate can go higher or lower depending on real life situation. If your income increased significantly during your career, your future check may be larger. If you stopped working for several years or had non-covered jobs, your payment could be smaller. Future salary increases also matter because Social Security estimate what you may continue earning before retirement begins. Spousal and survivor benefits. Social Security is not only for workers. Spouse may receive up to 50% of their partner retirement benefit through spousal benefits. Survivor benefits can also help widower and dependents after a worker pass away. These extra protection makes Social Security more than just a retirement paycheck. It also acts like financial support for families during difficult life situations and unexpected losses. Why timing matters so much? Choosing when to claim Social Security is one of the biggest retirement decisions you will ever make. Claiming early gives you make money sooner, but smaller monthly payment forever. Waiting require patience, but it can provide much larger check later in life. Your health, saving, work plan, and expected lifespan all play an important role in deciding the best retirement age for you. Social Security may look confusing, but understanding how your benefits are calculated help you avoid costly mistakes. The difference between claiming at 62 and waiting until full retirement age could mean thousands of extra dollars every year. Before making a decision, always estimate your future benefit carefully and think long term. A smarter retirement choice today could